Good afternoon, and let's look at this midday movers today, starting with Bharat Dynamics. Now, this stock is being under pressure today as, the government has said that, they will be selling around 15% of their stake in the company, and the stock is down most in since March 23rd, 2018. That's its listing date. So, surely under pressure today. Now, the OFS, in the OFS, the government is planning to sell 18.3 million shares at a price of rupees 330 per share. So, overall, we are seeing that the stock is under pressure, and even in the last 30 days, the stock price has fallen to around 21%. And today is the third consecutive day that the stock price is declining. So surely some pressure over here in Bharat Dynamics. Moving on to Ashoka Buildcon. Now over here, the stock has surged 8% intraday today, and this is the most since August 2017 that we are seeing a surge, and this is on the back of the new orders that the company has received. Now today the company did inform today that they are the lowest bidders for two of NHAI's projects, and the combined value for this is around 1,390 crore rupees. So surely a nice big order coming in for Ashoka Buildcon, and that's a positive sign over here. And it's also snapped its 2-day losing streak and gained surge as much as 8% intraday. Moving on to Amber Enterprises, the manufacturer of washing machine and air conditioner. It does equipment manufacturing for this. So surely the board has approved a QIP and set the floor price as 1,798 per share, and we have seen that the stock price is surging today. It's at a record high, and after it surged today 8% in trade. So surely very positive over here. And overall in last 52 weeks, if we go to see, the stock has surged as much as 140% in trade, as well as over in the last couple of sessions also the stock price has also been buzzing. Moving on to Info Edge. Now the company reported its earnings last evening, and on the back of that we are seeing that the company's stock price is buzzing. It's up as much as around 2% in trade, and this is on the back of a strong operational performance by the company. If you go to see, the margins have expanded by around 860 basis points on a year-on-year basis, though the revenue declined, but overall operational performance was quite strong of the company. Even the company managed to report a profit this time. And mainly, this operational performance, that the margins have seen an expansion, mainly led by the lower ad costs as well as the other expenses which have reduced for the company, which is benefiting Info Edge. Moving on to the IT Index, that's the Nifty has gained. Nifty IT has gained over 2.5% intraday, and that's the most since July 2018. Now, the index has hit a 52-week high, and all the stocks except Mindtree are gaining, and if you go to see TCS, HCL Tech, all these have hit a new highs, and so we are surely going to watch out for the whole IT space, because except for Mindtree, all the other stocks are gaining in trade. Now, moving on to Surya Roshni, that has gained 6% in trade as the company has bagged an order of around rupees 287 crore to supply pipes for IOC as well as Bharat Gas Resources. And on the back of this news, we are seeing the stock prices buzzing in trade. And lastly, I'll talk about IRCTC. It has risen to its 3-month high on the back of the reports that the government is planning to sell stake of around 15 to 20% via offer for sale. That's OFS, and the stock has zoomed nearly 350% in 52 weeks, and it's continued its gaining streak as of right now. And let's look at these stocks even further, how they actually trade. But today these are the stocks that are buzzing this afternoon.